What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're tackling a project that I have needed to tackle for a long time now, and that is this and this and this, and don't forget that and that too. We are going to clean the garage at least thoroughly, as thoroughly as I can, and hopefully we can get it back to a good state, because with, you know, the fender flare project coming up, I want to make sure it's organized and clean, and yeah, there's just junk everywhere. So just kind of gonna show you guys how I organize things, how my tools are organized. I'm gonna do it a little differently. I'm gonna take all this and just move it out, all these tools, pull everything out and get them all organized like across the ground, and then put them back, see what we can fit in there. And I want to get rid of some of these toolboxes, and new shelves are coming soon. I have 2 new big shelves. We're going to replace these 2, so that'll be nice. So yeah, so let's just hang out, grab a beer or something, So I realized that if I'm getting rid of toolboxes, I had to sort stuff out, because you keep a lot of bolts and things like that in here. So I went and picked up these. These should fit nicely right on the wall there. They're just little bins to hang. It says hang and stack bins. So these will go on the wall, and they'll fit all the extra bolts and screws that I have lying everywhere. So I think that turned out pretty nice. I still need to add like the labels and everything, which I'll do right now, and then I can start organizing the extra bolts and stuff that I have, and then start working on this. But the thing about cleaning is, like, slowly but surely. I mean, this looks much better than it did at the beginning, so just keep on moving, I guess. These labeled for the most part for kind of what I need. There's still some little extra bits, so now I've got to go through and organize all the tools and these drill bits and things like that, but we're getting close, and then I'm going to tackle this stuff. But the workbench area is almost clean, so we're getting there. Update, I've got 3 boxes, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive ratchet sets, so just extras, which isn't too bad. I've got them labeled and everything. Still working on finding a home for these. Screws, as you guys saw, these are already organized. This is going to be my box of extras. I already put 2 boxes in the car with various things. I actually had doubles of everything, enough for 2 toolboxes for my brother and sister to take home. So that's cool. Here, top is like Allen wrenches, measuring tape, Phillips head, flathead, wrenches. This is like my main ratchet set, and hammers, and then finally screwdrivers and other power tools. Alright, and the final product. Super clean. Everything is all organized, swept. That stuff is saved for a shelf whenever the shelf comes, so ignore that. But the desk is clean, everything is organized. I moved the old jack over there, have a spot for the new one. All the toolboxes are underneath, trash can, vacuum, cleaning supplies. So yeah, there's my old lip that has to go back on eventually. So yeah, I mean, everything looks really nice. Super happy with that. So yeah, so the garage is complete. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any organization tips or anything like that, feel free to let me know and I'd be happy to implement them. So yeah, I'm excited. It feels really nice to have like a clean space to work in. So hope you guys have had a great Saturday, and I'm gonna continue on with this whole Vlogmas thing. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon again. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below, leave a like, thumbs up, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.